What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another little micro episode of What's the Deal. Today, I'm just going to update you on what's been going on in the Amazon Live influencer world, how Whatnot's been treating me, and also some garage sale stuff. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so what's the deal? If you've never been here before, this is just where I kind of ramble on and tell you what's going on. But I am an Amazon influencer, so these are some products that have been sent to me over the last couple of days. Now, it's been a little bit slow because China has been on vacation, some holiday that happened from like the first week of October. That's it. So it was kind of cool because I took some time to sell and whatnot and get some stuff cleared out of the office, which I'll share that with you in just a second. But before I do, I'll tell you what came in the boxes, as I've already unpackaged them because I kind of forgot about unpackaging them live or on this channel. So this is a battery operated flameless candle. This is a Christmas decoration of some type, like some kind of Christmas globe. Also, let me know what you think about this new little magnet that goes on the bottom of my microphone. I ordered one of those. Look pretty cool. This is a LED black light or LED Bach light. A Bach light. Anyway, this was a return. Somebody sent me a returned item that had an LPN number on it, which is what you normally get. A bunch of products on a return pallet. It was wrapped in plastic with LPN numbers, and this one did. So hopefully it works. I usually get new items, but I guess they want to send me a return item, which is whatever could use for returns. This is a Wi-Fi range extender. This is the second one from this company. The first one didn't connect. I think it was a software issue, but for some reason they sent me more hardware. So we'll see if I can get that to work. And last but not least, an electric lunchbox. And if you're wondering, what are you going to do with all this product? I want to sell it on Whatnot. And so you can go check out my Whatnot channel. It's at DillBillyHQ. I'll try to link it in the comments if I remember, or in the description, or wherever I do that here on YouTube. And be sure to subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. So a little update on Whatnot. Whatnot has been good to me for the most part. So would I recommend selling on there? 100%. If you're an Amazon influencer and you have a ton of stock and you're just sitting around and you're getting ready to get just collapsed on by all your product, I would totally go over there. I would totally sign up and I would liquidate on the Whatnot platform. Now, I've been taking another step in another direction, I guess, by trying to buy product. So I went to this company called 888lots.com, and you might be like, what the heck are you doing giving away your sources? It was not good. Like, I bought a bunch of product, kind of nichey, kind of old stock stuff. I didn't really do a bunch of research on it. I just like, oh, okay, this is a cheap box with a lot of item count. I'll just sell through it. And if I make a buck or two per item, then I'll make, a profit of $600-700 on the box. Not the case. Did not sell through like I thought it was going to. Ended up just liquidating a bunch of it, putting it in big boxes. I think I still made my money back on it, but I definitely did not make a profit. And if it did make a profit, obviously it's not a big enough profit for me to go, oh, I'm so excited, I'm going to do that one again, because I'm probably not. Also, I ordered a higher end item from 888lots.com, and it just wasn't that great. So probably not going to use those guys as a resource moving forward. And maybe I just bought the wrong products or didn't do enough research or whatever. I don't know. I saw they had good reviews. People were raving about them. I didn't have a good experience, or maybe it's just not a good product for Whatnot. However, everything else I sell on Whatnot, like all the stuff I just showed you, will sell probably pretty fast, pretty good. And it's still got me there. Whatnot still has me hooked. I love the live streaming aspect. I love the live selling aspect. I'm just trying to figure out what is the game that I can play with the size facility that I have and the size budget that I have. Because I see a lot of people on that platform, especially in the electronic space, they are buying huge truckloads of stuff, probably paying pennies on the dollar, a dollar or less for the items, which is totally cool and good for them that they can do that with the space, with the inventory and all that. But what it's doing is kind of training the market over there in the electronics category of like, oh, well, I don't have to pay, a decent price for this. I can just wait until these guys go live and get it for a lot cheaper price. And so I'm trying to figure out how to compete in that space, or do I not compete in that space? Do I go into a different category? Because the pull to Whatnot for me is not really selling and shipping stuff, which I really do enjoy, but it's more of the live streaming community building aspect of it, which has been a ton of fun. So that is that's a little update on Whatnot and what I'm hoping to accomplish. So that is it. Now, garage selling, picked up a couple things. One, Gary Vaynerchuk talks about Dubai, talks about Starbucks coffee mugs all the time. So this is a Dubai Starbucks coffee mug. Got this thing for, I'll say, $1. I bought a bundle of stuff and that was in the bundle. So I'll just divide it by how many pieces I bought. I'll say it was $1 and I paid $25 for the whole entire lot. This mug has been selling on eBay somewhere between, I'd say, $19 and $27. I have it listed for $25. It really hasn't moved that much. We'll see. The other awesome pickup that I got at a garage sale, which really isn't my thing, I got a Blu-ray player for like $5. I hope to resell and make some money on. And then I got these bad boys right up here. These are Nike Air Force Ones from 2016. They don't have shoelaces, but I'm paid $2 for them. So we'll see. We'll see if they'll sell and how that goes. Other than that, guys, what's the deal over on Amazon? Amazon has been up and down, and they move product videos and carousels. And if you are an Amazon influencer, don't freak out. It's just part of the game. And figure out how to make money by leveraging the program, by working with brands, by doing brand deals, by getting free product, plus a video fee, and then resell the product. So if you are an Amazon influencer and your money's doing a roller coaster, which all of ours is, don't freak out. Just figure out how to leverage that program and have different conversations with the manufacturing companies and do brand deals. I can't tell you how many times people are like, I can't believe it. My money's down. And I'm like, just do a brand deal. Just go do brand deals. And who cares if you're not getting paid $500,000 for a video or $500 for a video? Go do 10 brand deals a day for $50. There you go. Make $500 a day and still do whatever you want. And it doesn't take a ton of time. Just go figure out the system. So anyway, guys, that is another little micro episode of What's the Deal? Under 10 minutes. I'm surprised. Hopefully it wasn't too fast. Hopefully you got some value. And hopefully you go check out my Whatnot and buy this stuff the next time I do a live, which I'm going to try to schedule probably today, maybe for tomorrow, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. There's a lot of maybes. I'm kind of a maybe guy this week. Take care.